Hi Daniel, how are you today? Hi Christian, I'm great, thank you. How are you? I'm very well, thanks. I want to ask you some question about your free time. What do you like doing in your free time? I really enjoy playing soccer and listening to music. I also like watching movies because they help me relax. That sounds great. Do you like playing video games? Yes, I do. I like playing video games with my friends on weekends. Nice. What activities do you like doing? I dislike cooking because I'm not very good at it and I hate cleaning the house because it is boring. I understand. When and where do you like playing soccer? I like playing soccer every Saturday afternoon after sports field near my house. Then I usually listen to music in my bedroom at night. Now it's my turn. Christian, what do you like doing in your free time? I love riding my motorcycle and going to the gym. I also enjoy listening to music because it helps me feel relaxed. That's interesting. Do you like watching TV? Not really. I don't like watching TV very much. I prefer going outside. What activities do you like doing? I dislike watching clothes and I hate getting up early on Sundays. I see. When and where do you like reading your motorcycle? I like reading my motorcycle on Sunday mornings around the city. Then I usually go to the gym in the afternoon. That's always on. Thanks for answering my questions. You are welcome. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you too. Have a great day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye.